want to quickly go over changing a Google Slides URL so that you can post it in present mode. If you have students use the present button when you're posting an assignment, you'll notice the student now loses access to all of their tabs. It's easier for the student if you come up to the URL, click the word edit and everything to the right, and replace it with the word present. And you're going to use that URL when posting the assignment. And the reason you want to do that is when you use the present URL, you can see that the students now have access to their other tabs. So they can toggle back and forth between Google Meet, or if you've posted a Kami worksheet for them to work on at the same time. So for example, if they're doing the gingerbread, when they get the right answer, they have the first clue, W. They can toggle over and keep track of the clues as they get them. If they had hit the present mode button, they're not able to toggle back and forth between the different tabs. So how are you going to post this on Google Classroom? Unfortunately, there is a little bit of a glitch with Google. So what I did was I started with a Kami assignment so that I could attach the response sheet as a Kami file for each student. Then I'm going to take the URL and paste it in the directions. We're finding that if you paste it as a link, it's defaulting back to the edit version of the URL. In order to keep it in present mode, paste it in the directions. Then go ahead and post it. Then when the students open the assignment, you'll see that it is a live link that the students can click on and open in present mode. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.